Well, good morning, my messy hair. Oh, well, looky there. Today's day 3, Saturday, and it's cleaning day. Unfortunately, we have to do that. We live in our RV full time, and we have to clean every so often. So, we're going to take you guys with us. We're going to the laundromat. Well, the laundry here at the RV resort, checking it out. And we're going to bring you guys with us. And then this afternoon, I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Might be going to Lazy River, might go down into Galveston. There's really no idea.
We don't know yet.
It's always a mystery in the Hoover family.
This is true. So, so anyway, Mr. Daniel's getting the clothes together for me and some quotas to, you know, wash the laundry with. And I don't know. I think that's it.
Yep.
It's supposed to be 103 today. That's going to be a hot one. And we may hang out at the pool. I don't know.
I'd just go down to Galveston for a little bit.
We'll see.
Like I always say, the water's our domain.
Yes, it does. But first, we have to clean. So, stay tuned right after this commercial break, and we'll see what all we get up to.
Yeep-oo.
Check this out. We wanted to show you this. This is the spa. Take a look. They got some neat artwork in here. And of course the Carnival cruise ship. But it's really warm water. So during the winter time, you'd be able to come and use this. And it has bubbles. Isn't that neat? Love it. They have a nice place that you can hang your things, which everybody seems to keep leaving their clothes everywhere. I've not figured that out yet. Their clothes and towels are everywhere. But this is an adults only, just to let you know. And it opens at 10 a.m. Now we're gonna get ready to go do laundry.
Laundry time.
Unfortunately, we have a lot of laundry to do, as you can see.
So what do we got going on here? They have
3 washers.
3.5 washers because one is broke right now.
These guys right here were $1.75 a piece.
And these also,
was 2.
and these are also 175.
And then all the dryers are 175.
So basically, usually they have 4 and 4, the washers and dryers, but one, he's
It's
dead.
down at the moment.
He's down. He's down. He's dead. He's a goner. Yeah. Computer board.
Looks
So-
like it takes about 30 minutes to...
AC works great in here.
Yeah.
This little bitty room. Here, let me back up to the door.
Yeah.
This little bitty room here.
This is it.
It's not bad. TV's not on. Don't know if it works,
It does.
but
Got power.
that is it.
Cleaning day.
But the AC in here is awesome. They got a hanging rack here that you can put towels
Keep
on.
leaving
So,
things.
yeah. These are all the lost items. Your little boy has lost his little undies. They're right here.
Yeah.
Mom will pick those up at your earliest convenience. All right, we're out of here. Rolling.
Turn it.
No power steering on this thing. You got to work it. That's why you pull out, but you back up a little further first. All right, here we go. Our chores are done.
Yep.
Daiquiris acquired.
Yes.
We are
on the golf cart.
Oh, yeah,
Headed
we got a golf cart.
to go play. Oh yeah, we got a golf cart. You can rent these golf carts out here, and they will bring it to your site. Yes, not cheap.
No.
Thank you. All right, that disclaimer is done. So here we go. We're headed to the pool now. Gonna go have us some water time because it is very, very hot. Very hot, especially when you're running around and doing chores. So we've acquired everything we're going to acquire for today, and we are home to stay. So stay tuned.
Hello. We're coming to you from the Lazy River.
On Jamaica Beach.
And check this out. This is the Oreo funnel cake. I'm trying to think of the whole name of it. But
This is called Control.
Crunch Oreo?
Yeah.
Crunch Oreo funnel cake. Wow. This is crazy. It is huge. And how much were these? So it's about $7 a piece. Not too bad. A little pricey. But then take a look at this one.
This is
What you got there, bub?
This is the strawberry cheesecake,
Oh my gosh.
and it is devilish.
Huge. Oh, and I have to come to you and tell you, we had lunch at this little, food truck here. And we did lunch with the food truck. Let me tell you what, everything we got was phenomenal.
5-star.
5-star. Absolutely delicious.
They were like,
I got the fish po' boy with some tater tots. Tater tots are $1 extra, but the meal was $13. Really, really good. Daddy over here, Mr. Daniel. He ended up getting the Buffalo Ranch. I don't know if you guys can hear me because this music is really loud today. But he got the Buffalo Ranch and it was super good. Now I'm getting a 3D. Okay. And then Mr. Hudson over here, he got the Philly cheesesteak. And he said it was top notch. Excellent. He loves.
It was the best one that I had so far.
That's saying a lot because he eats those a lot. But it had a lot of veggies in it too. And so anyway, our whole meal was like $40. Really good, worth every penny. So I suggest you guys try it out when you come here. Just saying. On that note, I'm gonna eat. Good evening, guys. We are sitting here at the beach. Take a look. My happy place. So we thought we would close out the night here. We're hanging out as start that over again. We're here hanging out as a family and enjoying the evening. So, as you know, Mr. Daniel's making fun of me over here. And we're gonna close out tonight. We've had a great day. We've had funnel cakes. We've eaten at the park. We've done some chores.
The boring and good stuff.
Yeah. We played at the Lazy River again. Of course, sunburnt.
For like 4 or 5 hours.
Enjoyed the day. What do you think, babe?
Yep.
Yeah.
Totally.
Even with doing chores, we enjoyed the day.
Yep. And now we got the sun going down over there,
I know.
and then it's going to be coming up over there. So we're hoping maybe if we wake up early enough, we might be able to catch the sunrise coming up over
That
the beach.
direction. We'll see. It's not gonna happen. But
So
we'll try.
We'll try.
So if they wake up in the morning, I'm gone, the golf cart's gone, don't know where it's at.
You will know why.
So anyway, so as for now, we're gonna go ahead and close out this day.
Yeah.
And we will all say, we are Hoovers on the move. We're out.
Cinematic is beautiful, man. I don't know if I'm making movies or music videos. Yeah, the sales can rise. rise doesn't mean much though when your health declines. See, we've all got something that we trapped inside that we try to suffocate, you know, hoping it dies. Try to hold it underwater, but it always survives, and it comes up out of nowhere like an evil.